Hey guys, welcome back to my house, Basant Kitchen. Today we are making something really cool. We are making beef biryani. It's one of my favorite dishes to cook. Nothing says I love you in a desi house more than a big plate of biryani. I'm different, I do things Basant style. Aisha Pervez, I love you babes.
Thank you.
Guys, let's get started. It is an awesome recipe. You're gonna love it and it's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna go over the ingredients a little bit and then I'm gonna post the entire recipe in the description part like I did earlier. So let's get started. We have cubed beef, about 4.5 pounds. I have 3 glasses of rice, washed and soaking. I have 5 potatoes, cut about this big. 7 plum tomatoes. I used extra tomatoes because we're cooking beef, so it's gonna take a little bit longer for it to cook, so it needs a little bit more liquids. Instead of putting water, I like to use extra tomatoes. Just a thing I do, it'll work out. We have 3 onions cut, 1 cup of whipped yogurt, 2 cups of oil. I have bay leaf, cinnamon stick, and black cardamom pods, garam masala, red chili, coriander powder, turmeric, cumin powder, salt, my yellow food coloring. I'm gonna leave the recipe of it in description. I forgot last time. I'm not gonna make that mistake. I'm sorry. We have garlic ginger paste. We have all the ingredients. Now let's make the magic happen. The 2 cups of oil in. It's nice and hot. Oh yeah, hot. We put the onions in. So the cool trick with this is that you have to wait for the onions to get golden brown. Not dark, not too light. If you get them too dark, the masala is gonna get completely dark and you're gonna have a darker tint in your biryani, which doesn't look cool. Has to be just a perfect amount of brown. I'm gonna show you. It's a cool trick. So for the rice, you wait for the first boil. The rice has to be perfect. It doesn't have to be cooked all the way and cannot be undercooked either. So now we get it started. This is like my favorite part. So the trick I do is I spray a little nonstick spray on the bottom of the pan and on top of the rice. So what happens is when you put them on dum, rice don't stick to the bottom of the pan. Simplest trick, but makes the whole difference. This is exactly the perfect color I was saying. Now, just add the beef very carefully. It doesn't splash on you. Stir it in. Good. Make sure we get a nice brown on the beef before we add spices and garlic ginger paste. But before I add tomatoes or all the other wet ingredients, I like to separate the oil first. So then we start to break the beef down. I'm going to show you, simple step, Basant style. Add garlic ginger paste, about 2 cooking spoons. And make sure you saute it really good. In the middle. I just love garlic ginger paste. This is that perfect smell. Now, nicely mixed. Now let's add the spices. So now you see the beef is nicely mixed with garlic ginger paste. I mixed all the spices together, so I don't have to do one by one. And now we just saute it in, or mix it in, one or the other. Over here, I like to cook it really good. So partially the oil separates. So what happens is all the spices marry into beef really good. So when you put tomatoes and yogurt in and put the cover back on, so in the steam, it cooks it in its spices that I already took in. It's really cool. You're gonna love it. Okay, so you can see, like I said, you have to separate the oil. Masala is done. You have a little bit of room to do this with beef, because it takes a little time to cook. Now with chicken, I don't recommend it. So now, what we do is we add yogurt. And tomatoes. Saute it really good. The color of the masala is really gorgeous coming out. So now, what I do is, I don't really like to add water. I like to cook it the old school way. I'm gonna cover it, I'm gonna turn the heat down, and I'm gonna let it steam up, and I'm gonna let the beef tender with its own steam. It's awesome. Takes a little time, but it's worth every single second. So after cooking for about half hour, masala is ready. You can see it's nice and dry. Oil is separated. It looks gorgeous. Nice red color. Now we're gonna add the potatoes. And very gently mix it in. There you have it, guys. Masala is ready. Now it's time to layer the biryani and finish the dish. Guys, the rice is par cooked. Gorgeous consistency. Masala is ready. Oil is separated. The potatoes are in. And the pot's ready to layer the biryani. So let's get going, guys. It is awesome. It is gonna be awesome. So now we're gonna start layering the biryani. Rice is par cooked. Layer at the bottom. The food coloring in. And then the masala. Put it right in the middle. And we just repeat the steps. Alright guys, now we're gonna break the biryani. Alright, oh my god, check out the consistency of the rice, the color of the rice, the color of the masala. It's as gorgeous as ever. Okay guys, the biryani is mixed. I want to show you how tender the beef is. That is it. That's Pasand style. Because I'm a caterer, I only know how to make it in trays. So let's get plating, guys. Alright guys, biryani is ready. Time to plate. I'm going to show you. This is how we do it. Pasand style. Biryani is plated. It looks gorgeous. Color, smell. I wish you guys were here to try it. Now for the last garnish, my favorite is the parsley. To give it that extra color, break it from your traditional yellow and orange and give a little green in there. This is it, guys. Biryani is ready. It's plated. It looks gorgeous. The color is beautiful. It is everything that I love. It's one of my favorite recipes. I hope you guys had a great time watching it because I had a great time making it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share my channel. And on top of that, I want to thank all of my subscribers, my new YouTube family, for subscribing to our channel. I love, love, love your support, and I am going to keep making cool food because I haven't really started cooking yet. Thank you, and you guys are awesome. Take one bite. Okay, one more. Really have to get the flavor in there. Off the hook. Not because it's my biryani, because it's Pasand biryani and it's amazing. Wow.